Hello everyone, my name is Yaozhuoran Chen. Today I'm gonna tell you something about my research paper. The topic is microfiber pollution and the regulation. Well, Plastics everywhere. A lot of it ends up in the ocean. Most plastics in the ocean break up into very small particles. These small particle bits are called microplastics. Varied by shape, there are different subcategories of plastic, including microbeads and microfibers. Microbeads are mostly found in personal care products used for cleansing, such as toothpaste. They are intentionally designed to be small. The tiny particles are helpful to exfoliate skin, but also cause massive discharging of microbeads. The small plastic particles pass unchanged through waterways into the ocean because existing wastewater treatment are not designed to capture them. So, these tiny particles will cause big problems. The aquatic life and birds can mistake plastics for food. Eating too much microplastics for food will reduce reproductive output and fitness of marine species. And once people eat the species, they will gonna be harmful for the human's body. The tiny plastic particles itself would even cause physical damage, leading to cellular necrosis. The United States Congress passed the Microbead-Free Water Act in 2015 to ban the cosmetic and soap companies to manufacture personal care products that contains the microbeads. Another type of microplastic, the microfiber, still didn't get much attention. The microfibers are shed from synthetic clothes. Washing machines currently sold on markets don't apply filter screen to catch the microfibers. Once shed from the synthetic clothes, the microfibers travel through the wastewater system and flow into the ocean. Therefore, each individual can be the polluter of the microfiber discharging, which makes the problem hard to concentrate and causes non-point pollution. Unfortunately, the manufacture of synthetic clothes could not be prohibited by regulation, just like the Microbead-Free Water Act did, because the synthetic clothes is cost-effective. That means it's cheap and useful. But current technology has provided practical filter to capture microfiber in washing machine, though they are mostly not marketable. For example, this lint LUVR that can be equipped in the washing machine. It can significantly reduce the count, total weight, and average length of the fibers in wastewater. And the good news is a European company has developed the world's first washing machine with a synthetic microfiber filtration system. So, the regulatory strategy as suggests is the technology-based policy. I suggest to establish standards for the manufacturers to design washing machine with a built-in microfiber filtration system. The best available techniques, the BAT concept, has been a popular policy tool to control industrial emissions, thus ensuring the environmental and human health protection at a high level. Though the microfiber is not generally adapted, the court and legislative are always encouraging environmental protecting agencies to project future advanced technology in pollution control, as ruled in NRDC versus EPA. So, who are obligated to build the standards? The federal agencies can solve the interstate spillovers problems well, and also they recognize economics of scales in respect to scientific research that is in support of environmental regulation. They also counter public choice considerations. But the federal agencies usually lack the ability to recognize the diversity of local preferences. Well, the states can do it. They recognize the diversity of local preferences. It also encourages more experimentations. 50 states, and there are 50 different solutions to solve the microfiber solutions. But the states are more susceptible for the industrials who would bring more industrial benefits against environmental interests. That means the states would prefer to set lower standards for the manufacturers and keep the economic benefits from the industrials. In this case, the states may not make stringent requirements for the washing machine manufacturers. So here we come to the states had been quite active in addressing water pollution issues. The California Bill Microfiber Filter System Implementation Program, Assembly Bill 1952. Once it was passed, it would require a new microfiber filter system in all state-owned and operated washing machines. That means all washing machines in California would need to have a filter installed. But there are still defects in this approach to reduce the microfiber pollution. Firstly, it cannot reduce the existing microfiber pollution. The microfiber particles floating in the ocean now would not be removed. And it will not solve the problem at its source. The synthetic materials cannot be replaced at the present. And also, the rate of the filter is not 100%. So even though you attach the filter system, there will still be more microfibers flowing to wastewater every time we wash the synthetic clothes at home. So in conclusion, my regulatory approach is the BAT approach to attach the best available techniques, establish standards for the manufacturers to design washing machine with a built-in microfiber filtration system, and it also needs the states and federal to work together. But I still have some tips for all of us to reduce this pollution, and that's easy. Buy less and by nature. Wash less. Consider using a filter. The color bottles are available online. And that's it. Thank you.